Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can get my QuickBooks into TurboTax Business, so let's get started. If you're using QuickBooks Online, there's no need to import your data. You can prepare your taxes directly inside QuickBooks without even signing into TurboTax. However, if you're using QuickBooks Desktop along with TurboTax Desktop for Windows, you can import your information from QuickBooks into TurboTax. To do this, first open QuickBooks and make sure you've assigned tax lines to your accounts. Next, open your QuickBooks company file, and then open your tax return in TurboTax. Be sure you're signed in to your TurboTax account as well. Inside TurboTax, go to the File menu, select Import, and then choose from Accounting Software. From there, select QuickBooks and click Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the import process. Once the import is complete, review your data carefully to make sure everything looks correct. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.